Hello parents and viewers, welcome to Common Current Gifted Learning. My name is Sneha and today I am here to share with you a craft that I did with my kiddo for Memorial Day. So since I have viewers from all over the world, I thought to devise a craft that is not just limited for US but for all the other countries as well. So in that process, when I was researching, I found that one common element or like a symbol that is, that all the countries use for Memorial Day purpose is the poppy flower. So the significance of the poppy flower goes all the way back to the First World War, where after the First World War, when the fields were devastated with like dead bodies and like dead soldiers, the red poppy flowers, which is wheat, comes out like a a symbol of hope. And there's a very nice poem on that, but leaving the details, the bigger picture is poppy flower is used as a way to, and people wear and to pay homage or to pay respect to the dead soldiers who sacrificed their life for us. And most of the time when I ask kids, and especially when I started with my kid about Memorial Day, this craft and unit, he was not aware that there is a difference between Memorial Day and Veterans Day. For them it's more like a long weekend. So I started first talking about like Memorial Day is for paying respect to the soldiers who are not there anymore with us and who sacrificed their life, and Veterans Day is for paying respect to the living soldiers. But many other countries sometimes wear this poppy flower as a memory for Remembrance Day, or sometimes it's called Armistice Day. So they wear it for remembering the old soldiers in November. So sometimes they get confused since Veterans Day is in November. So in US particularly, poppy flower is worn as on Memorial Day. So I wanted to do a craft with poppy flower, which at least means something, and so that kids know that there is more to Memorial Day other than just red, blue and white crafts. So researching deep down, I found there are 4 colors of poppy flower that are worn all over the world, which has also a universal appeal to it. So I made something like this with 4 poppy flowers. So talking about this, the first one, the red poppy flower, we all know that it's for soldiers. It glorifies bravery and the war and the dead soldiers. The purple poppy flowers are used for the victims, the animal victims of the war, and black poppy flowers is interestingly signifies as to honor or to appreciate the contribution and the service of the African American community, the black community, and the Caribbean communities in the First World War. So I think that practice kind of got lost in the middle. It might resurface with the latest Black Lives Matter campaigns, but it was always there. Like if you look up in the history, that the black poppy flower was supposed to be worn to appreciate the services of the Afro-American community and the black communities in the First World War. And lastly, white poppy flower is an alternative flower. Sometimes the peace keeping forces and the peacekeeping organizations wear or hand it over to the kids. It's an alternate. Like the red glorifies, because according to them the red glorifies like the war. So white is for the innocent people who actually died in the middle of the war. They were not soldiers, but they died for keeping peace, or for they wanted the war to end, so they worked towards peace. So in appreciation for them, the white poppy flowers are worn. So my kid made this craft looking at mine, comparing. So I was glad that I did this with him, so that now he knows that Memorial Day has more to do with just a long weekend. And if I see that he included some horses in here, which kind of tells me that he understood what like a purple flower signifies. So with that, I just wanted to tell you that my kid actually wanted to include all the flowers, but some kids are very particular about what flower they want to choose. So please comment and let me know that what did your kid choose for this Memorial Day. And also like if you have sharing and doing this craft, please share pictures in the comment section so that I know this kind of helped you in some way.